Our company owns the largest number of water jet machines using a variety of water jet cutting solutions. We use the water jet Sweden system, and the high pressure pumps come from KMT water jet equipment. In general, the KMT pumps have the advantage in both the uptime rate and the quality of the spare parts. Our company mainly cuts material from the steel factory and processes for the customer. Our customers mainly include ship industries, bridges, pressure containers, and the like. Why does our company utilize the water jet device? Deming Manufacturing mainly owns 4 kinds of cutting systems: laser cutting, plasma cutting, water jet, and plate cutting machines. The water jet Sweden system has its own advantages and can cut thicker plates than other types of machines. The laser can only cut thin plates. The plasma can cut thick plates, but the surface is heated and oxidized. The water jet uses a cold process, so the surface is not oxidized, which is an advantage of the water jet. The maximum cutting thickness is over 200 millimeters. Deming started using the water jet Sweden tables equipped with the pump from KMT at the end of 2007. Since its application, the water jet Sweden table has a low fault rate and less loss of spare parts. Believing that the water jet system is good, our company purchased a larger number of water jet Sweden systems. The traditional water jet previously utilized two-dimensional cutting. Two-dimensional cutting is mainly used for cutting flat plates. With the requirements of the high-end customer, the secondary process is needed on some finished products. We purchased a 5-axis water jet Sweden system. For example, some circular holes are cut on the circular balls or rings to go on the secondary finish. So 3-dimensional cutting is required, and 5-axis cutting was chosen. The number of water jet Sweden systems purchased by Deming is large.